Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover photos that were set to view once on WhatsApp. In this example, we've received 2 photos, and I'll guide you through the process to recover them in a super easy and fast way. The best part, you don't need to install anything or use any strange software to make this work. We're doing this completely free of charge, and it's a straightforward process. Alright, let's get into it. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is make a small adjustment to your WhatsApp. Don't worry, you won't need any technical skills, and you definitely won't have to install anything complicated. It's super quick. Here's what we're going to do. Open your browser and go to a new tab. Then type in the following URL. Once you're on the site, you'll see a search bar. Type WhatsApp OK, and a page will come up with a section titled WhatsApp Once Saver. Below that, it explains in English that this tool lets you recover and restore files, including voice messages, without needing a backup. The best part is, you don't even have to uninstall WhatsApp. Next, click the icon that appears, and this will start the injection process. What this does is insert the necessary files and modifications to recover the photos. This method works for both Android and iPhone, and you don't need to know anything about tech to follow along. Just click the button that says Start Injection, and the process will begin automatically. At this point, you don't need to do anything else. Just sit back and let the system do its thing. As you can see, it's super simple and fast. The entire process is fully automated, and we're almost done. When the injection is finished, the site will ask you to confirm that you're not a robot. This step will take you to a short verification process. Now, this part might include some small advertisements asking you to install an app for verification. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know this is a standard step. If you have any doubts, just open the chat feature on the site for help, like I did when I was unsure about something. Basically, you'll need to download an app and keep it running for about 30 seconds. Make sure you carefully read the instructions during this step. If you skip something, the verification won't work properly. Once I installed the app and followed the steps, it worked perfectly. Now, to complete the verification, click the install button. This will redirect you to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. We finished the verification process, and it shows that the app is already installed. If I go to my app drawer, we can see that apparently it is installed. It looks just like WhatsApp. Honestly, I don't notice any difference. But well, let's work with this. Now, I want to mention something important. If you restart your phone, this modification will be removed. However, WhatsApp will still function the same as always. As you can see, nothing really changes, so you can be 100% sure that this won't affect your account. Okay, let's open the first image. Here, it tells us that this message is private because it's for one-time viewing. It'll disappear from the chat after you close it. Plus, you can't share, forward, copy, or save the content, nor can you take a screenshot. Let's click OK and wait for it to load. Now, guys, I noticed something. I can't screen record while this appears, so I'll use my phone to record it for you. When we open the app, we get this message. Let's open the first image. It's displayed. After closing it, we move on to the second image, and the same thing happens. Once closed, you can't reopen them. But here's the trick. If I go to my files, click on Files, and navigate to the Android folder, then into Media, I can locate the folder called WhatsApp Saver. It's this one right here. Now, when I open this folder, look at what we find. I have 2 files here that were meant for one-time viewing, but I can now open them. I just select one, and it opens directly in the gallery. Here they are, both files. As you can see, that's how simple it is. This method lets you recover those images and audio files that were sent for one-time viewing. It also works for videos. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.